Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you the easiest and fastest way to create an AI-generated video from an online article. So let's get started.
Search for the article you want to convert to video and copy its link. Open elai.io and log into your account, and from Elai home screen, click on Generate from URL and paste your link.
Choose your video template and click on the Create Video button. Wait for the video generating process to complete. Click on Convert to Slides. Once your video template is ready, you can either render it or customize the design. You can edit or remove video parts.
Change the position or background, avatar or avatar style, and voiceover style. You can add music to your video from the stock audio provided by the website. You can also change template and select the template of your choice. You can also use stock videos and images for your video components or background. To set an image or video as a background, simply add the item to the design and click on Apply as Background. For video background, it's recommended to turn on the loop option. After everything is ready, click on the Render button to render in your video. It may take several minutes to complete. Once the rendering process is finished, you will receive an email with the download link. Open the email and download your video.
Creating a video from an online article has never been easier thanks to the amazing tool, elai.io. With its powerful and user-friendly platform, you can easily transform any written content into an engaging and visually stunning video. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who wants to bring their ideas to life, elai.io has got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see how it can take your content to the next level.